Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I know why you are here. You've searched countless videos and tried multiple methods, but nothing seems to work. Frustrating, right? Most guides out there are either outdated or just not working for everyone. Well, that changes today. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate solution, a step-by-step guide that works for all FydeOS users. From choosing the right FydeOS version to configuring the BIOS settings. We'll cover everything to get the Google Play Store running smoothly on your PC. So, without getting much more delayed, let's get started. If you want to host your own website, you can try hosting. Link will be given in the description. First, you need to do is restore your PC and enter the BIOS menu. The method to access BIOS menu depends on your system. You can refer to this image on screen or search your specific model on Google. Once inside the BIOS menu, disable Secure Boot and enable the virtualization. This is essential for running Google Play services. If you skip this step, Google Play Store won't function properly. So, make sure to double check the settings. Now, your PC must meet some certain hardware requirements. You must have Intel processor with iGPU or AMD processor with APU. If your system uses dedicated GPU, make sure it's Intel or AMD GPU. Otherwise, GApps might not work properly. So to enable the Google Play Store on FydeOS, click on the launcher, open Store. You'll find Configure Open GApps. Select it, click on Add. Click on Add App. It's downloaded. Click on Open. Now you can see it's giving a pop-up. Your Android subsystem is inactivated. Please launch Android settings and agree the terms and conditions to proceed. Click on OK. Now click on here again. Here you'll find Android. Open it. Click on I agree and click on Launch. Now it's launched. Close it. Now click on Open GApps. Click on I agree. Click on Next. Select Install. Click on Next. Now it's showing developer mode must be enabled. Close it. Open Settings. Go to FydeOS Settings. Enable developer mode. Click on Confirm. Click on Restart. Now again click on here. Select Open GApps. Click on Next. Now if you find this error, you'll have to disable root file system verification. For this, click on Learn More. And here you can see the path. Now you'll have to press Ctrl-Alt+T. Terminal is here. Now, copy the first command. Go to Terminal, right-click on it, and hit on the Enter key. It's done. Again, go to the browser, copy the second command, go to here, right-click on it, and hit on the Enter key. Now again, go to this browser, select this full command, copy it, minimize this, and right click on here, hit on the Enter key. Type Y and hit on the Enter key. Now again, click on here, select Open GApps, click on Next. Here you can see there is no error. Click on Install, click on OK. Now the installation has been started. You'll have to wait here. If you are still facing issues, it might be due to wrong FydeOS variant. If you are using Intel legacy version image and it's not working, switch to modern Intel FydeOS image. If modern Intel FydeOS image doesn't work, try Intel legacy image instead. This simple swap can fix compatibility issues instantly. That's it. By following the steps, you should have Google Play Store up and running smoothly on your FydeOS. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech guides. And let me know in the comments if you have any question or suggestion. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.